There we go. This is why we're here today, the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show with Discovery. People used to joke about these cars in years gone by, but thanks to a dedicated few, these vehicles live on in immortality for us all to admire. They've always been a pride and joy to their owners. Today we're going to have a look at 2, 3 and 4-wheel action thanks to the IFA Club. The Wartburg Trabant IFA Club in the UK was founded in 1969 as the Wartburg Owners Club. Only the Czech Wartburg Club is known to be older. The club evolved over the years to include Trabants and other vehicles from the German Democratic Republic, unlike the Wartburg, which was imported new to the UK. These other vehicles only became familiar in the UK after the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 and German unification in 1990. From 1965, this is the Velorex 16/350. Velorex was a manufacturing cooperative from Czechoslovakia. Notable products include the small three-wheeler car, 12,000 of which were produced from the 1950s until 1971. The Velorex uses a 16 horsepower 350cc Jawa motorcycle engine, giving it a maximum cruising speed of 85 kilometers an hour. And from 1974, this is the Zaz Zappo 968E. They also produce actually buses, and they're the main manufacturer in Ukraine and produce buses and trucks, and it's known for its former parent company's name, Avtozaz. Moving swiftly along from 1990, the Trabant 1.1, known as the last Trabant. However, more than 3 million Trabants were built, making it a very successful little car. In fact, that's 3 times the number of Morris Minors made. 500,000 of these were the Estate, Universal or Combi model. An open-top Jeep-like Kugelwagen was produced for the military and forestry use, such as for patrolling the inner East German border. And now cast your mind back to 1963, the Jawa 05 moped. The Jawa 50 Type 05, also known as Ideal, was a model in Jawa's range, fitted with a single-cylinder 2-stroke engine. It was Jawa's first 2-seater moped. The Type 05 was a development of earlier models dating from 1955. 115,214 were produced between 1962 to 1966. In 1966, the 05 was replaced by the similar but more powerful Type 20 model.
Hello everybody. Hiya. Toot toot. Beep beep. Well, we've reached the end of the road with this one, but thank you to the IFA Club. Gregory Bear and Stevo will join you next time on SLR.tv. Toot toot. Beep beep. See ya.